Today, we will explore the difference between LAN and WAN and how to set up dynamic multiple WAN ports on WoMaster routers. LAN local area network connects devices within an office, like computers and printers, enabling communication within a local network. Routers usually have multiple LAN ports, such as 2 to 4 or more, to accommodate these devices. WAN wide area network ports, on the other hand, connect to external networks like the Internet, often through a single WAN port that links the internal network to the outside world. In industrial applications, higher transmission rates and reliability are crucial, making dynamic multi-WAN ports essential. Multi-WAN port routers support simultaneous connections to multiple lines, enhancing bandwidth through load balancing. For example, connecting three 1000M fiber lines to WAN 1, WAN 2, and WAN 3 provides a total bandwidth of 3000M, meeting high transmission demands. These routers also offer link backup, switching to other WAN ports if one fails, ensuring network reliability. Additionally, multi-WAN ports can be dynamically configured as LAN ports when fewer WAN connections are needed. For instance, if a router supports 3 WANs but only one is required, the other 2 ports can be set as LAN ports. Next, we will demonstrate how to set up multiple WAN ports on a WoMaster router. Open the browser, enter the device IP to input the username and password to login. Go to System and Network Setting. On this page, we can see that the current device is operating in bridge mode with only LAN ports. Here, select Network Mode as Router and click Submit to switch the device to router mode. Here, you can see that 3 WAN ports have appeared, corresponding to ports 1, 2, and 3 of the device. For WAN1, you can set it to a static IP or DHCP client. For WAN2 and WAN 3, an additional option Disable is available. When Disable is selected, the port becomes a LAN port. Here, we will set all 3 WAN ports to DHCP client. Click Submit. Here, we can see that all 3 WAN ports have obtained IP addresses and their corresponding gateways. For the WR315, although all 3 WAN ports are enabled, the routing still go to WAN 1. Only when WAN 1 goes down will the routing switch to WAN 2, and only when both WAN 1 and WAN 2 go down will it switch to WAN 3. This does not achieve bandwidth aggregation and load balancing. Therefore, when enabling multiple WAN ports, it is recommended to set load balancing. Click on Ethernet port on the left, and the load balancing menu will appear on the right. The default load balance setting is disabled. Here, you can see WAN 1, 2, 3, and W11. W11 refers to cellular. We can go to the cellular menu and see the IP address obtained after successfully connecting to the network. Return to the load balance menu and enable WAN 1, WAN 2, and WAN 3. If needed, you can also enable W11. Additionally, you need to set an IP address for each WAN port to test the connection of each WAN port. Finally, enable load balance as well. Click Submit to apply the settings. After refreshing the status, you should see that all 3 WAN ports and W11 show online, indicating that load balancing has been successfully activated. This completes the setup instructions.